Okay, Mr. Witwicky, you're up.
Sorry, I got a lot of stuff. Okay. For my family,
Who did that? People?
Responsibility. Okay. So for my family genealogy report, I decided to do it on my great-great-grandfather, who was a famous man, Captain Archibald Witwicky, very famous explorer. In fact, he was one of the first to explore the Arctic Circle, which is a big deal. In 1897, he took 41 brave sailors straight into the Arctic shelf.
The ice is freezing faster than it's melting! Jump faster! No sacrifice! No victory! We'll get to the Arctic Circle, lads!
So that's the story, right? And here we have some of the basic instruments and tools used by 19th century seamen. This here is the quadrant, which you can get for $80. It's all for sale, by the way. Like the sextant here. $50 for this. This is a bargain. These are pretty cool. These are my grandfather's glasses. I haven't quite gotten them appraised yet, but they've seen many cool things.
Are you going to sell me his liver? Mr. Witwicky, this isn't show and sell. It's the 11th grade. I don't think your grandfather would be particularly proud of what you did.
I know, I'm sorry. It's all going towards my car fund. You can tell your folks it's on eBay. I take PayPal, Cold Hard Cash works too. And the compass makes a great gift for Columbus Day.
Damn.
Sorry. Unfortunately, my great-great-grandfather, the genius that he was, wound up going blind and crazy in the psycho ward, drawing these strange symbols and babbling on about some giant Iceman that he thought he discovered.
Okay, might be a pop quiz tomorrow, might not. Sleep in fear tonight.
No, he discovered.